Hello everyone, this is Fabio Carvalho and you are watching now Adisra SmartView course. Today's topic will be system tags. You can use them anywhere in the application. Let's run the application and see what system tags we have available for us. We can use the data watcher for checking them. Let's open it. Okay, application is running and the data watcher is open. So let's click this checkbox here. Let's take a look at each one of them. First one is the redundancy activated. It's going to be showing true in case the redundancy was activated. We also have the time it was activated. It's going to be showing a timestamp for it. We have the executing project, the name of the project that we're executing. We have the time when the runtime was started, which is a timestamp. We have hour, minute, and second information. We have the day, month, and year as well. We have the full date. We have the day of the week. We have the language which is running. We have the runtime active time, so how many seconds it was started. We have the SmartView version. And we have the active machine, the IP and the name of the machine. So you can use any of these system tags in your application and you're going to be finding them very useful. If they don't fit your needs and you need something else, you can always create a new tag for that. Let's use now a couple of system tags in one of the screens and let's run it. First I'm going to stop the application. Let's create a new graphic. I'm going to configure the system tags in label. Let's use a label for that. So let's increase the size of the font. I'm going to put 72. And to configure the tag, we just go to the text property. We use the @ sign to configure tags, and we can select any one of them. Right now I don't have any custom tags, I just have the system ones. Let's use the date. So the scope of the system tags are global. It means you can use it anywhere. And let's add a new one. I'm gonna put the seconds. Okay, very simple. Now let's configure the graphics to be shown in the startup of the application. Let's save first. Then we need to go to the settings, graphics, and we're going to be selecting the graphics that we just saved. We're going to show graphics in full screen, so it's already selected, and we're ready to run. Application was started, and we have the viewer. The viewer showing the graphics that we just created with 2 system tags. That was a quick demo, but feel free to play around with the system tags more. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and I see you on the next one.